Today, I'll show you how to fade in and out in DaVinci Resolve, a technique that can add a professional touch to your video projects. Fading in and out is a subtle yet effective way to help your transitions feel more natural and engaging. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refine your editing skills, this guide will help you master this essential technique with ease. To get started, open up DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are on the edit page. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to make adjustments to your clips. Once you're in the right workspace, select the clip that you want to apply the fade effect to. You can do this by simply clicking on the clip in your timeline. Make sure your clip is highlighted and ready for editing. Now, let's focus on creating a fade-in effect. To do this, hover your mouse over the top left corner of your selected clip. You'll notice a small white handle that appears. This handle is your key to creating a smooth fade. Click and drag this handle to the right. As you do so, you'll see a shaded area appear on your clip, indicating the duration of your fade-in effect. The further you drag the handle, the longer your fade-in will be. This simple action gradually increases the clip's opacity from 0 to full, giving your video a clean and professional beginning. Next, let's move on to creating a fade-out effect. Just like before, but this time hover your mouse over the top right corner of your clip. Here you'll find another small white handle. Click and drag this handle to the left to create your fade out. Again, you'll see a shaded area appear which shows how long the fade out will last. This action decreases the clip's opacity from full to 0, allowing your video to conclude smoothly and seamlessly. These handles that you're using are known as clip opacity fades. They are incredibly useful for creating quick and clean transitions without the need for additional effects or complex processes. Clip opacity fades are not only efficient but also maintain the quality of your video by ensuring that transitions are smooth and visually appealing. As you work with these fades, feel free to experiment with the length of your fades by adjusting the handles. This will give you greater control over how your transitions look and feel. For instance, a longer fade in can create a more dramatic introduction, while a shorter fade out can keep the pace of your video brisk and engaging. Remember, the key to mastering fades in DaVinci Resolve is practice. Try applying these techniques to different clips and projects to see how they enhance the overall flow of your videos. With just a little practice, you'll be able to create professional-looking fades that enhance the storytelling of your content. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily add fade-in and fade-out effects to your clips in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in your video editing skills. Thank you for watching and happy editing.